Momentum. I don't know why I keep saying that. I like the tagline. I think I'm going to stick with it for a while. Hey guys, Jay Helms from W2 Capitalist. I want to come to you real quick, talk about building relationships. I'm on LinkedIn. I'm doing a lot more on LinkedIn these days. I actually hired a VA to help me do some stuff on LinkedIn. And I get a lot of connection requests with and without her. But this one I just received just blows my mind. I know I had a pretty good cup of coffee this morning, so I'm pretty jazzed up, pretty excited about the day. Had a great night of sleep, which doesn't happen all the time. But this one kind of triggered me and made me, so number one, I want to thank this guy for giving me the topic for today's live, but this one kind of triggered me and made me realize that you can't be lazy about building relationships. Now, by the way, I have the hat on because I need a haircut and there's a little bit of cowlick right there. But this guy sends me, like, we're going back and forth for a couple of days, right? Hey, Jay, how are you doing? I'm good. How about you? So I responded, I'm good too. How is business going on your end? I'm like, all good. Like, I do enough connections, enough messaging on LinkedIn. I knew where this was going, right? And this, but I thought I knew where this was going, and this one caught me by surprise. I said, I'm all good. And then his response yesterday was, that's good. What is your occupation? Now, I don't know. Maybe I'm reading into this too much. Maybe the coffee is coming through pretty strong this morning. But dude, you're on LinkedIn. My entire resume, my entire experience, what I do for a living right now is one click away. It is one freaking click away. That's laziness. That is complete and total laziness. Or maybe I'm using all this weird jargon that he can understand. I don't know. So this is how I responded. Can I flip this around? So this is how I responded. I said, look, man, my entire resume is literally one click away. I am wasting my time responding to you. I don't get it. I don't get it. So, guys, if you're on LinkedIn, I would love to connect with you. But more importantly, if you're using LinkedIn to grow your business, grow your real estate investing contacts, which I advise you to do, don't be that guy. Don't be Thomas Jake, his name. Don't be Thomas Jake. What is your occupation? Are you freaking kidding me, man? It's one click away. Check it out. Check out what my occupation is, and then let's not try to have a conversation. It is just total laziness, total apathy. Just it blows my mind. It blows my mind. Anyway, I'm done with him. I'm done with this video. So I just want to encourage you as you're building your network, because if you're in real estate investing or you're aspiring to be a real estate investor, Jim Ingersoll has this great quote, or I know he didn't come up with it, but I hear him say it all the time. And every time I hear this quote, it makes me think of him as your net worth is your network, right? And there's a guy in the mastermind. He's an aspiring real estate investor. He never closed on a deal before. And he told us a couple of weeks ago that, hey, I don't know what's happening, but the deal flow has been tremendous here recently. And he put in the Facebook group that we have just for the W2 Capitalist Mastermind yesterday, hey, LOI going out, right? And we kind of picked it apart and said, okay, what has led to this? And he revealed to us that for the past 6 months, he has been taking part of his lunch hour to call somebody, doesn't matter who, check in with some realtors, check in with some brokers, check in with other investors, and he's been planting some seeds and it's finally working out for him. So that's the way to network, not try to start a fake conversation on LinkedIn and then ask me what the freak my occupation is when it's right at your fingertips. Anyway, I'm done. You guys made a great day. Keep up the momentum, and I will chat with you later.